So we were discussing user experience design, right? So best. So what is user experience design?
So একটা ইউজার প্রোডাক্টের সাথে কিরকম ইন্টারঅ্যাক্ট করছে,
Way they are interacting with the product.
ওভারঅল এক্সপিরিয়েন্স অফ প্রোডাক্ট।
Overall experience of a product. So what do you understand by product? Any any commodity such as
মেবি সার্ভিস,
service.
সার্ভিস ফিজিক্যাল ভার্চুয়াল, প্রোগ্রাম অ্যাড, ডিজিটাল প্রোডাক্ট, ইনস্টাগ্রাম, and website.
Service can be considered as product
To some extent.
to some extent. How?
তো সার্ভিস আর প্রোডাক্ট তো আলাদা আলাদা হয়ে গেল।
বল, শুনতে চাইছি।
আমি অ্যাজ আ ডিজাইনার যদি কোনো কাজ করে দিই ফার্মের, সেই ফার্ম আমার থেকে যে প্রোডাক্টটা পাচ্ছে সেটা আমার সার্ভিস।
সেটা তোর সার্ভিস।
আমি যে সার্ভিসটা দিচ্ছি সেটাই প্রোডাক্ট, যেটা আমি ফার্মকে দিচ্ছি।
সেটা কি? সার্ভিস ডিজাইন আর প্রোডাক্ট ডিজাইন?
বা যদি ডিজাইনিং ছেড়ে দিই, সাপোজ আমি কিছু টিচিংই করছি, আমি যে টিচিং করছি এইটা আমার প্রোডাক্ট যেটা আমি দিচ্ছি।
So is it a service or is it's a product? What's the difference between a product and a service? Do you have any idea, clue? Suppose you want to deliver a parcel or courier to Delhi. So what are the possible and available options you have? Certain, courier profession, private courier services, and Indian Post. So they will act as service provider, isn't it? Nowadays, this Uber delivery, Insta delivery, I need to deliver certain things to another part of the city, so they can deliver my products within a day. The loophole behind this, courier service, so-called popular courier services, they take time, longer time. 2 days ago, I had to deliver a parcel to Kolani actually. So they said it will take minimum 3 days. But in a service like Swiggy or other delivery app want to deliver, so they'll pick up my parcel and they'll deliver my parcel within the same day, within few hours actually, isn't it? So what they are selling? Instant delivery, 1 day delivery, isn't it? The popular guy from Mumbai, those who this school kid who opened a company and running a successful business. I forgot his name. The idea was to use Mumbai Dabbawala to deliver parcels, throughout the city Mumbai. So one day he was in his school. He forgot to carry his a copy or some maybe for homework, okay, or something very important. Okay, so he asked his parents or father or relative to deliver his thing as soon as possible, but they couldn't because his guardians were busy in some other work. He asked Mumbai Dabbawalas and somehow convinced them, and he used their service. They have a very strong network throughout the city, Mumbai city. A 13 years old boy ropes a business in Mumbai Dabbawalas for logistics startup. What is name? Tilak Mehta. Tilak Mehta is a very popular kid. Huh. He who was studying at Suburban School, in class 8. So he started a business using Mumbai Dabbawalas, and he's doing good actually. After school, he used to attend office and do his business. So he found an opportunity, or what you can say, he found a gap in existing service. His or her his parents or guardians also tried to deliver that particular thing required for his school, ঠিক আছে, through certain services like portals, মানে কি বলবো, হ্যাঁ, portal services or delivery systems or whatever, but that time it was nothing was available, so he found an opportunity and started his own business and he's doing good. So his service, instant delivery or one day delivery, is his product, isn't it? Or his company's product. The serviceability of things within city, within a day, or within few hours. That is business. That is product. Service can also consider as product, but depend on kind of situation we are considering. It's totally dependent on situation, isn't it? Right though. So when we are talking about user experience design, interaction design foundation, sorry, the interaction design foundation, they are quite renowned in that particular field. Okay, people like Don Norman, okay, design of everyday things, he's associated with that foundation. Okay, so according to them, user experience design is the process design team use to create product that provide meaningful and relevant experience to user. When we're talking about experience, it could be anything. Even a service could provide certain kind of experience, isn't it? If that boy somehow able to receive his book or homework within required time, he might not thought about that particular business, এত কিছু হতোই না. Or like previous day I was discussing, okay, you are delivering, you are ordering something through e-commerce, any e-commerce platform. Okay, suppose your favorite toy, your favorite product, or anything you are very curious about, or for girls it may be an accessory or jewelry, it could be anything, or a dress, you need to wear it for a special occasion, for family occasion, maybe marriage or something. Okay, so you liked your dress very much, but you couldn't get it within before the occasion date, isn't it? So nowadays, services like existing services like Zepto, Big Basket, Instamart, they are delivering our thing, our required thing. If you're purchasing from their website, their service, platform, they'll deliver within 30 minutes, isn't it? So it's as an user, it's always preferable for me. And they're not charging as of now. They are not charging anything extra for delivery. If you need to buy something, anything, you're interested or passionate about, how long you can wait? How long you can wait actually? If you get it immediately within hours, then as an user it would be always better for any user, isn't it? So what they are providing? They are providing instant delivery, isn't it? Suppose some few guests or someone, few guests suddenly appear in your house, and your parents need certain things. Suppose they cook a rice cooker or something. Okay, somehow suddenly the rice cooker got damaged or it's not working properly. They need something immediately, and there is no time to go to the market and bought a new product from the market and come back and serve our কি বলে guests. So what we can do nowadays, there are certain platforms where you can immediately place an order and get it within 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes. What they claim within 9 minutes or 15 minutes. By within 30 minutes they deliver the things max to max. I have personally I have ordered many things, from this service, and it's quite interesting. You can, what I assume that this is the future of delivery system. Why should I wait? Probably in near future, each and individual seller or large scale seller, they'll keep a stock within a city, like in major cities, different cities of India. In Kolkata, they'll keep a stock or all popular items. In Delhi or Bangalore, and they'll get delivery within a day, within few hours, or within hour actually. Very interesting. If you need to buy a wireless earphone, you can get it within 15 minutes using Zepto. That's what they are providing, instant delivery. हमसे फास्ट डिलीवर करके दिखाओ, कोई अगर डिलीवर करे तो दिखाओ. एंड अनदर एप्लीकेशन, व्हाट वाज इट, हाँ, लोएस्ट प्राइस गारंटी, जेप्टो. जेप्टो ना, instant delivery but lowest price, that is their USP. So what they are providing, they are providing instant delivery but in minimum price, lowest price. That's why they, what do they mean, they don't sell any all kind of products. So whatever they are claiming through their advertisement ads, they must fulfill it, right? তো সবকিছু কিন্তু পাবি না তুই জেপ্টোতে, দেখিস সার্চ করে. I've searched for it. So to retain their claim, to maintain their claim, to serve their claim, they are selling whatever things they can deliver instantly in minimum price, lowest price. So that's their service. And as an user, what kind of experience I'm getting from their service? Ah, yes, it's very quick, really fast, and very cheap too. Wow! I'll definitely recommend others to use Zepto, isn't it? Because I had some good experience from their service. Okay, if you purchase any product from e-commerce website, Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, whatever, Walmart, then if you receive any defective product for the company, whatever the seller was claiming, you didn't get the standard quality product. What will do? Will go to the review section. Will provide a review. Will write a bad review, isn't it? What are these? Even though you are consider providing any good review, you are bloomed with the product. Recently, I have bought this wireless toad from Portonix. Is really good. আমি promote করছি না, দারুণ product actually, within this budget is actually good. So I can go to their website and share my reviews, share my experience. It's actually good and it's very useful too. I'm using it from last 1 month. It's very useful. So try to understand one thing: are these companies are selling product or selling experience? It's actually innovative in nature. It's very appealing, transparent, something new, and superbly useful. You can connect 3 different devices, and as you mentioned, DPI, a budget DPI, where you can connect it with a projector, but others, other competitor of Portonix in that particular segment are unable to provide, all these services within that budget. So that's why it's getting popular. But Portonix কিন্তু brand কিন্তু that advertisement এ খরচা করে. They don't invest money in advertisement. Not much. Service is, user experience is more important than promoting their brand through advertisement. If they somehow able to hook a user, I'll definitely try to look for options provided by Portonix for any kind of product I'm looking for in future, isn't it? Later I bought this OTG within budget, actually good. Another that device, I don't know its name, যেটা বললাম যে charging the type C and type D, is interesting within budget. It's very useful too and very handy. They provided mirror for girls, very useful. So now we need to understand, see, these are universally accepted or universally popular or globally popular definitions. Memorizing or definition or reading a definition won't help us to understand what user experience actually means. Getting my point? বুঝতে পারছিস কি? So how to understand? We should always relate with our local examples, isn't it? Local example. These are branded companies, million trillions of dollars, or they have invested in their business. Okay, done. But what about New Market Kolkata? If you need to buy any garments, or Goriyahat Kolkata, not only garment, গড়িয়াহাটে কিন্তু অনেক কিছু সস্তায় পাওয়া যায়, ভালো কোয়ালিটির মাল সস্তায় পাওয়া যায়. So what they are providing, the seller of Goriyahat or New Market, what they are providing? They are providing quality product within budget. That's why people from all over the Kolkata as well as Bengal, they visit this local market for their need. তাই না? শক্তিগড়, all of us are aware about শক্তিগড়. So they always catch flying customers. আসতে যারা থ্রু বাই রোড ক্রস করছে that particular place, they are attracting them, where rate of repetition is really low. করছে না? কি দিচ্ছে? What they are selling? Sweet. Lifetime accessibility না. They are providing a platform to stop, to take a break, have some sweet, to মানে বেসিক্যালি আমরা তো ওপেন এয়ার করতে পারি না, আমরা ওয়াশরুম প্রোভাইড করে প্ল্যাটফর্মে, তো ইউ ক্যান টেক সাম টাইম, হ্যাভ সাম টি, ফ্রেশ হয়ে গেলি, একটু চেঞ্জ করলি, মানে ওয়াশরুম ইউজ করলি. ইজ ইট আ প্রোডাক্ট অনলি? শুধু মিষ্টি বিক্রি করছে শক্তিগড়? ভালো করে যদি কোনোদিন তোরা গিয়ে থাকিস, আর দে সেলিং সুইটস অনলি, or is beyond that? Getting my point? Isn't it? Well, relax, sit there for a while, have a cup of tea, discuss, get some fresh air, take some rest, then you can continue with your journey. It's beyond a product, it's an experience. I usually travel by bus, but those who have owned their own car and travel through that particular road, they know some popular place. আমাদের কাছে কি লিমিটেশন থাকে যে we can't explore other areas, কারণ within some time I have বাস ছেড়ে দেয়, we have to get back into the bus. Okay, fine. But যখন আমার কাছে কার হবে, in case যদি ফিউচারে কোনদিন হয়, তো I'll definitely choose the best option. Whenever I'm going to use that particular road to reach anywhere or to return from anywhere while traveling, you can say. So I'll definitely repeat the particular place if any shop, any place able to provide certain kind of experience, good experience. It's not only about sweet, isn't it? আবার এটাও হতে পারে যে দেখ ওখানে তো শক্তিগড়ের ল্যাংচা ঘি ফি বলে, সবাই কিন্তু ঘি দিয়ে করে না. দেয়ার আর সার্টেন শপ যে অ্যাকচুয়ালি খুব গুড কোয়ালিটি সুইট দেয়, ঠিক আছে, with these experiences, allied experiences, you'll get an AC air control মানে room, ঠিক আছে, তারপর good environment, ঠিক আছে, good ambience, limited customers, experience, isn't it? What's the difference between Pizza Hut and Domino's? All of us have ordered things from Domino's as well as Pizza. Who is doing well here in India? Why?
Price.
And আরে পিজা হাট এন্ড ডমিনোস কিন্তু সেম প্রাইসে দেখবি, মোর অর লেস সেম প্রাইসে, এখন কম্পিটিশনের মার্কেটে দে আর প্রোভাইডিং পিজাস ইন উইদিন, মানে মোর অর লেস সেম প্রাইসে, খুব ডিফারেন্স না। Exactly. While you are hungry, you want to have delicious food. How long you can wait? If you get the food instantly, that would be the best thing for us, isn't it? So what they did, they work on their delivery time. They make it faster. They make promise within by 13 minutes you will get your pizza. Otherwise, it's free, isn't it? They committed and they did that. Users become hooked with their product, taste of their product, pizza as well as service. Pizza Hut, I mean, recently Domino's থেকে try করেছিলাম. It was a nightmare for me. We had to wait for 3 hours to get a pizza. কি অর্ডার নিয়ে নিয়েছে, ডেলিভারি বয় খুঁজে পাচ্ছে না। And when we received the pizza, it was kind of worst, ঠান্ডা হয়ে বাজে অবস্থা, খুব বাজে। It was expensive, very expensive, but it's worse than Domino's. So what they are selling? Are they selling food or experience? While you were unboxing, the way they designed the box, pizza box, in time pizza time. Remember that এর আগের প্যাকেজিংটাই, এখন তো একটু চেঞ্জ করেছে। এর আগেরটা দেখবি ব্লু কালারে বেশ কিছু গ্রাফিক্যাল। সো হাউ ডু উই কনজিউম ফুড? ফার্স্ট অফ অল ভিজুয়াল, চোখে দেখে ভালো রাখতে হবে। যে কোনো রেস্টুরেন্টে যা, যেখানে যা, the food must look good, isn't it? Second thing, it must smell good. ভালো করে দেখবি, আমরা চোখ দিয়ে প্রথমে খাই, তারপর নাক দিয়ে খাই। We eat through our eyes first, then through our nose, then through our mouth or tongue, isn't it? Then it must taste good. And before all of this, it must be affordable, isn't it? So are they selling pizza only? What kind of experience? Hey, I'm hungry, I need something delicious, I'm ordering food within affordable, I'm getting within 30 minutes within affordable price, and it's tasty, delicious. The joy of having food is interesting. It's cheese, they provide different options, topping options, veg, non-veg, everything is there, isn't it? Do one thing, do some research about Domino's in Thailand, Domino's in Pakistan, Domino's in suppose UAE. You'll see, yeah, they are providing different kind of toppings options. Like in Japan, you'll get seafood topping, like octopus and all, whatever. Because it's popular out there. In India, veg, non-veg. In some countries, while most of the people prefer non-veg only, they won't keep those option, isn't it? তো কিছু ফুড ব্লগারের কিছু ইন্টারন্যাশনাল ফুড ব্লগারের আমি কিছু ব্লগ দেখেছিলাম, ওরা ওই ডমিনোজকে নিয়েই করেছিল ভিডিও। তো অ্যাকচুয়ালি আই ওয়াজ অবজার্ভিং কে kind of flavors they are selling. The same brand internationally they are doing business or kind of flavors, kind of food they are selling. Getting my point? Similarly, name a popular food store brand, food brand here at Kolkata. Mall, Gangurame Sweets, Kesida Sweet. What else? Food. মিত্র ক্যাফে, আর কি আছে জানো এদিকে শ্যামবাজার ওইদিকে?
গোলবাড়ি।
গোলবাড়ি কষা মাংস, তাই না? হোয়াইটস পপুলার, what they are providing, what's their USP, what they are selling, food or something else? Authentic taste. It's not about the food. কলকাতার একটা ভালো রেস্টুরেন্ট, ব্র্যান্ডেড খুব পপুলার রেস্টুরেন্টের নাম বল। আমিনিয়া, আরসালান অ্যান্ড এই তো বিশ্ববাংলা হ্যাঙ্গিং রেস্টুরেন্ট, হ্যাঁ? What they are selling? They are selling location only, position only, hanging. The quality of food, যতগুলো আমি পেয়েছি, it was the quality of food was not that good, but location wise it's interesting. So what they are selling? They're still surviving nowadays, till today, since they open. So they are not selling. They're not selling food. They're selling the location, position, view, isn't it? Experience of having food in height. Like উঁচুতে আমরা খাবার খাওয়ার এক্সপিরিয়েন্স পাচ্ছি, হচ্ছে, isn't it? Armenia they provide tasty food. They serve tasty. Bearhouse কলকাতায় আছে তো, Bearhouse the authentic taste of biryani will get through Bearhouse or Simla. হ্যাঁ, out 1950 না 1590, হ্যাঁ 1590 ঠিক। They are selling authenticity of state, uniqueness, isn't it? So many people are selling biryani or food, restaurant based food, but they are Dada Modi biryani, Barakpur. It become a brand, Dada Modi biryani, প্রচুর হয়েছে। They are providing this, the user get hooked with that taste. আচ্ছা, ডমিনোজ কজন খেয়েছিস? নাচোস, you know nachos, what is nachos জানিস? বিঙ্গো আছে, ডমিনো আছে, আরো অনেক ব্র্যান্ডেড আছে, বাট ডমিনোজের টেস্ট আর বাকি যতগুলো আছে কম্পিটিটর, তার টেস্ট টোটালি ডিফারেন্ট। ক্রাঞ্চ মোর অর লেস সেম, ডমিনোজের ক্রাঞ্চ অনেক বেটার যদিও, আমি টেস্ট করে দেখেছি, বাট ফ্লেভার মশালা ইজ টোটালি ডিফারেন্ট। ডমিনোজের টেস্টই আলাদা, টেক্সচারটা আলাদা, way more crunchier than other nachos. So what they are selling? Customized pizza. Customized pizza Domino's এনেছিল, ঠিক বলেছিস, customized pizza according to users need. So what they are enhancing user experience through their service or product. It's all about user experience. This mouse looks really good, or I have heard Dada Modi's biryani, আমি গেলাম and it's মানে worst experience হলো, I'll never repeat, তাই না? I'll never repeat. বেশি বিরিয়ানি কথা বললে একটু খিদে খেতে পেয়েছে, যাই হোক, তো will never repeat, but they become brand. They are selling the unique taste of biryani, যেটা আর কেউ অফার করছিল না উইদিন দ্যাট বাজেট, তাই না? সো ইটস অলওয়েজ অ্যাবাউট এক্সপিরিয়েন্স, ইটস নট অনলি অ্যাবাউট প্রোডাক্ট। অ্যাপেল দে আর সেলিং প্রোডাক্ট অনলি অর এক্সপিরিয়েন্স? সোশ্যাল আইডেন্টিটি, আরে ইউ আর ইউজিং অ্যান অ্যাপেল ম্যাকবুক, দিস ইজ ম্যাকবুক প্রো, ওয়াও ইটস সো অ্যামেজিং। Even that person is using that MacBook for Office only, Microsoft Office only, but Office related, Word, PowerPoint only. The status in the society become suddenly people started to give importance. Are wow, you're using Apple product. Wow. That's why people, selling, buying iPhones, selling their kidneys, and actually there are several cases. এখানে নিজের কিডনি বিক্রি করে অ্যাপল কিনেছে. Why? They don't know how to use an iPhone properly, but they need an iPhone. Why? Is it about the product? It's about the status. I'm using an Apple. I'm using a Harley. I'm driving Enfield. Is it about? Is it about experience? That in cruiser bike segment, you'll get similar kind of experience, Enfield like experience in other বাইক জাভা আরো অনেক কিছু নতুন বাইক এখন ইন্ট্রোডিউস হচ্ছে, ঠিক আছে? তো সিমিলার এক্সপিরিয়েন্স ইজন্ট ইট, বাট এনফিল্ডের ক্ষেত্রে যেটা মেইন প্রায়োরিটি থাকে যারা কিনছে তাদের কাছে প্রায়র প্রায়োরিটি ইজ মেইন প্রায়োরিটি ইজ সার্ভিস. You can get service center of Royal Enfield anywhere in India, even in remote location. Nearby you'll get and a service center easily. ঠিক আছে? Easily. Isn't it? So are they selling bike only? With bike after sale service. Obviously, quality of the product is really good. There's no doubt about it. But quality দিয়ে কি সবকিছু হয়? Is the only thing. Getting my point? Even Pizza Hut also selling, good quality pizzas. But if you, able to see their, sale curve, difference between these two companies' sale curve, you might see lots of differences, isn't it? So user experience design is not only about product. It's beyond product, it's beyond service, it's about an individual user's experience while he or she is using that particular service or product, isn't it? If you need to do some online works through SBI website or Axis Bank website or any other popular bank's website, you'll definitely have different kind of experiences. Now we are considering your age only. তোরা তো জেনজি না টিন কি, তোরা জেনজির মধ্যেই পড়ছিস? আচ্ছা যাই বুঝলি, আমাদের জেনারেশন will have different kind of experience. Same app, same platform. An elderly person will have a different kind of experience, isn't it? Younger generation are faster, smarter than elder one. So while we are designing an application for all kind of, suppose bank, a bank's website or app, any renowned bank or so we have to consider each and every kind of age group. Particularly here at India, literacy rate is really poor. But I am a businessman, I have crores in my account. So basically private or any bank, they'll prefer this kind of customer, those who have money, lots of money. But I don't have any literacy rate. But I'm very poor at reading English and all. So I need service from your bank. So how you're going to design things? Getting my point? So we need to serve, cater each and every kind of users. কিছুক্ষণ আগে to the senior batch I was discussing about universal design. So if you consider an application and it has certain some broader application beyond age group, beyond gender, you need to consider many things, isn't it? So these are important. Basically UPI payment system, Bharat Pay, Phone Pay, Google Pay, যাই হোক, what they offer,
money transfer from account.
hassle free transfer. Earlier when I have experienced, I had some many worst experience. I had some ball of full actually. Many worst experience while I was trying to transfer money through my account. I was in Bangalore and uh, actually I need to transfer certain amount to someone. I was literally knocking bank to bank that anyone can help me to transfer my amount. SBI only. SBI করছিলাম, যাচ্ছিলাম, visit করছিলাম না. But after introduction of UPI, it become a piece of cake. You can add a number or account number, whatever it is. I mean, আমার ব্যাংক ট্রান্সফার করতে গিয়ে আজকাল আর ঝামেলা, থ্রু ইউজিং মাই মোবাইল, again I can pay my bills, electric, everything through my UPI app only. We are getting better experience, isn't it? Change is a big used to be a big issue. Now you can pay a single penny and a crore or dollar, whatever, lakh, using UPI only, easily, instantly. So they are providing good user experience. Okay.
Rewards also.
Hmm?
Rewards also. Cashback, rewards.
Cashback rewards, though, it's for promotion and marketing stunt or this one. What did we understood about user experience design through these local examples? Is it always, is it about product only? It's about service or service only? It's an overall experience. Okay, so as a designer, while we are going to design any product or service, anything. Okay, so we need to consider the entire experience. Okay, suppose you are designing a game গেম খেলতে পছন্দ, গেম লাভার, তাই স্যার আই ওয়ান্ট টু ডিজাইন আ গেম, হ্যাঁ, they have designed it so nicely, interface, and the overall gaming experience is really good, but as an user I am unable to download it from Play Store or other similar platform. Then it's kind of hectic for me. Acha, you guys are anime lover. Is it easily available? For us, people like us, if I want to search, watch an anime, anime, it's difficult to find it. কোথা থেকে পাবো বাবা? Actually, I did try it, but খুঁজে পাওয়া যায়নি. So, if we are designing something, any service, product, whatever, so it must provide a good user experience. Okay, a very good design user experience. We are designing a smartwatch for teenagers. Okay, teenagers. What could be the possible user related experience related things or points we need to consider while designing a smartwatch for teenagers? Can you name a few? Teenager or Gen Z, whatever, doesn't matter. Anything?
Type of color builds structure.
Color, okay, appearance, color based appearance. Okay, what kind of color?
Vibrant colors.
Vibrant colors. Okay, trending colors. Okay, now then it must be easy to wear, easy fit, comfortable. সোয়েট প্রুফ, সোয়েট প্রুফ বলা যাবে না, বাট ইরিটেশন যাতে না হয় রিলেটেড ডিউ টু সোয়েট ডিউরিং সামার।
ইভেন এখন তো ওয়াটার প্রুফ দরকার হয়।
এক্স্যাক্টলি, ওয়াটারপ্রুফ অ্যান্ড
স্যার ভালো ব্যাটারি লাইফ হলে
battery life and
ডিজাইন
overall design. What kind of design? Overall design, মানে overall design, what do you mean? মানে any
to be honest, watch those looks like Apple. Apple is your watch
related to মানে similar to Apple Watch?
to Apple watch.
আচ্ছা, minimal,
Affordable.
modern, sleek, okay, and
Within affordable.
within affordable price, most importantly. Anything else?
আউটফিটের সাথে ম্যাচ হতে হবে।
আউটফিটের সাথে ম্যাচ হতে হবে, ওকে। এনিথিং এলস?
Then the UI is important.
UI important,
How smooth it is.
huh?
How smooth.
How smooth it is, Bluetooth connectivity and all, call receive করা যাচ্ছে কিনা, you can receive phone calls or cut or operate your smartwatch, a smartphone with you through your
Connectivity.
connectivity with your smartwatch, a smartphone. Anything else? What they are offering, খুব স্বাভাবিক ব্যাপার। aesthetics বললি, what else? Affordability is there, you've already mentioned. What else the brand Protonix is offering through their product?
Multiple functions.
Multiple function, like
That the DPI button and
additional features within affordable price. If I can design a smartwatch in such a way that belt will be replaceable, you can change the belt or look of your smartwatch according to your outfits, then it will be a best selling feature of your product, cause each day I am changing my look, I am adjusting my watch, smartwatch according my outfit. It's going well with my outfit, especially for girls. It's really very important, isn't it? So is it about the product only? It's about experience of using that while you are using that particular product or smartwatch. Look, other features, yeah, it must be there. Okay. So see, remember this thing. While you're going to মানে execute design project or design any product through user survey and all, you have to generate a questionnaire, develop a questionnaire, and you need to collect data from user. Okay, depending on your requirement or need, you will design certain setup questionnaires and I'll get answer. But the main thing is, if you ask, suppose you are taking what do you call, interviews or asking feedbacks or whatever it is, there are certain things which your users will mention, clearly mention about that, clearly mention, yeah, we need this, we prefer this thing. But there are many things they won't be able to mention, even though they don't know what they need. If you provide similar option, they'll easily opt that, go for that. But they won't be able to share, their views or requirements. So as it's called psychological requirement. Psychological. So how could you provide extra security? Password, screen lock, okay, fine, done. Then they might share certain. I need the security is the main concern. I need to protect my money. Anyone can take my phone and transfer money to their accounts. So I need security. This is a feedback or requirement of an user or many user. What is their psychological need? Each time it will take approval from my side before transferring any amount. How? Even I don't know. Now we can provide some other kind of securities, privacy or security, that each time for any kind of transaction they need some special permission from the owner of the account or the account holder. Then only will be able to meet their psychological expectation. ও তো জানে যে এটা এক্সিস্টই করে না, he knows that the similar kind of services doesn't exist, তো he won't mention. So we need to somehow figure out or read their mind and provide similar services. Okay. So user expectation different থাকবে. So as a designer we need to figure that, see, these are discussion only. While you're going to design any, you have to choose an area and develop a service or product, design a service or product. So why I'm sharing all these things, discussing all these things are important to design any product or service. User experience means it's all over, overall experience. Product appearance, look, price, affordability, service overall. It's not even after you after sell service as well. তাই না? So these are important. These are really very important. Now শুধুমাত্র if you only focus on the product only or that service only, it won't help. Do you think so? মনে হয় যে এরকম হবে? আচ্ছা, নেক্সট লাইন হচ্ছে UX design involves the design of entire process of acquiring, integrating the product, including aspects of branding, design, usability, and function. So branding is important, খুব obvious, ঠিক আছে? Design, Apple, আমি তোদেরকে ইনস্টাগ্রামে রিল শেয়ার করেছিলাম, দেখেছিলিস অ্যাপেল আনবক্সিং এক্সপিরিয়েন্স. So they intentionally design their packaging in such a way so that while you are unboxing, it will it will delay. Intentionally they have designed, so it will delay that journey, that curiosity. So it create a kind of psychological impact on users mind. Even not only Apple, even many other brands, they follow the same principle, same psychological trick to design their packaging. Cheap products are always cheap. Just unbox করে দিলাম. But that unboxing experience, I'm unboxing a product, Apple, whatever it is, that your favorite product. That experience, psychological impact on your mind plays an important role. Getting my point? So it's not only about look, things, everything. These are important, but these psychological requirements are also important. These are not visible. Directly to design করছি না, but we experience while designing the experience, unboxing experience. Getting my point? So you have visited local trains and book fair, Kolkata book fair, and share your observation from Kolkata book fair. Ball? Key. That day we discuss about possible observations. You may observe as a designer from a local train. What kind of data, information we can collect in from a individual journey of a local train, through a local train. অনেক কিছু ডাটা এক্সট্রাক্ট করা পসিবল, isn't it? We can extract many things, required things, psychology, people's, their behavior, need, preference, likes, dislikes. And tell me one thing, that mass population, those who are visiting book fair, Kolkata, they are going for they going there to purchase a book only. Though it's a book fair, so why they are visiting there, the book fair? What are the possible reasons?
International book fair.
International book fair, but I don't want to purchase any book. I don't have any specific reason, but I am visiting book fair. Why?
সোশ্যাল মিডিয়া অ্যাটেনশন আছে
Social media attention,
একদম।
individual attention, or
আমি যদি
even
ঘুরে যাই, আমি একটা ব্লগ বানাবো যে আমি বুক ফেয়ার
আচ্ছা সেটা ব্লগারদের কাজ। অ্যাপার্ট ফ্রম ব্লগার্স,
চাইলে ওই জায়গাতে গিয়ে এক্সপিরিয়েন্স করা, অ্যাকচুয়ালি প্রোডাক্টটা কিনবে না, বাট জায়গাটাকে ঘুরবে।
exactly the overall experience of Kolkata book fair is important. That's why they are selling food, they are selling other items as well, books, bags, isn't it? What else? So that experience is important, actually important. As a participant বলতে পারো, as a কি বলো viewer, whatever. কজন বই কিনতে যায়?
ওরা মোস্টলি ম্যাগাজিনস দেখে বা ওই বুকস গুলো দেখে যেগুলোর মধ্যে ইলাস্ট্রেশনস আছে বা এরকম কোনো পিকচার্স আছে যেটা ওদেরকে ইন্টারেস্ট আছে। টেক্সট থাকা বুক অনেক কম ধরে, দেখে একটু খুলে দেখে গেল।
Obviously, visuals are, আর যদি ক্যাটাগরাইজ করতে পারি, মানে তোর অডিয়েন্সের ক্যাটাগরাইজেশন যদি করতে পারি, কি করবি? দেয়ার ইজ এ সেগমেন্ট যাদের কাছে ওটা মেলা অন, যাবো মেলায়, বুক ফেয়ার কি ফেয়ার ডাজেন্ট ম্যাটার, মেলা যাবো ঘুরতে, সবাই আসবে, খাবো দাবো, একটু মায়া করবো, চলে আসবো। মেজরিটি অফ দ্য পপুলেশন ইজ আর লাইক দ্যাট, তাই না? বেশ, অনলি আ লিমিটেড নাম্বার অফ people, those who visit book fair to buy a specific book, তাই না? যেমন আমি গেছিলাম, আমার একটা পার্টিকুলার বই দরকার ছিল, পেয়েছি ওখান থেকে। একটা স্টল খুঁজতে খুঁজতে যাই হোক, সেম ইস্যু, ঠিক আছে? সো ইফ ইউ আর অ্যাড্রেসিং দিস পিপল, দোজ হু নিড মানে locational guides of each and individual stall, then we may offer certain solution through digital boards and all, ঠিক আছে? হতে পারে, কি কি পসিবল সলিউশন হতে পারে সেটা নিয়ে আমরা কাজ করতেই পারি। এক্স্যাক্টলি, ঠিক আছে? বই মেলার কন্টেস্ট, লোকাল একটা ইভেন্ট, ইন্টারন্যাশনাল ইভেন্ট, ঠিক আছে? ইটস এ প্ল্যাটফর্ম টু শোকেস ইউর ট্যালেন্ট। মানে দেখবি there are certain groups those who are performing inside book fair. Their mass audience is there. Perform করছিল, শোকেস করছিল, their content, whatever their drama. It's a good platform to launch new book. Mass population আসছে, ঠিক আছে? Many, it's a platform to showcase our brand. মিডিয়া হাউস গুলো দেখবি সবাই একটা করে স্টল, মানে বুক স্টল, মানে স্টল নিয়ে বসে আছে। এই যে পপুলার সেলিব্রিটিকে ডাকছে কেন? লাস্ট টাইম আমি রূপম ইসলামের তো দেখলাম, আমি লাস্ট টাইম মানে এর আগে, তার আগে যখন গেছিলাম তখন তো মিলন মেলাতে হতো তখন। এখন হয় রূপম ইসলামের একটা স্টল, রূপম ইসলাম এসে গান করছে, মানে সামনে ভীষণ ভিড়, মানে রাস্তা দিয়ে যাওয়া যাচ্ছে না। ইটস এ পপুলার, ইটস এ প্ল্যাটফর্ম টু শোকেস, ইন্ট্রোডিউস আর্টিস্ট অর গেইন পপুলারিটি। ক্রাউড আছে তো, মার্কেটিং অপরচুনিটি ফর মেনি ব্র্যান্ড, স্পেশালি দোজ আর অ্যাসোসিয়েটেড উইথ বুক অর বুক রিলেটেড বিজনেস। তাদের বিশাল ব্যাপার, এডুকেশন সেক্টরে ভালো জায়গা। So it's not only a fair, it's a platform where provided by government of West Bengal, where they are able to attract mass population and providing other brands companies to promote their product or service, তাই নাকি? অ্যালাইড ফুড এগুলোতে অ্যালাইড থাকছে, সব কিছুই কিন্তু দেখ, লিফলেটিং হচ্ছে, অনেক কিছু হচ্ছে। বই বই কেনা বেচাটা একটা খুব বেশি হয় না, হচ্ছিল কি খুব রেয়ার, যারা খুব লিমিটেড কাস্টমার আছে যারা স্পেসিফিক্যালি কোনো একটা বই খুঁজতে গেছে, খুব কম, তাই না? ইটস অ্যান এক্সপিরিয়েন্স, বাইং এক্সপিরিয়েন্স। বই তো আমরা অনলাইনে কিনতে পারি, বই তো আমরা কলেজ স্ট্রিটে গিয়েও কিনতে পারি বা কোনো রেপুটেড বুক স্টোর থেকে গিয়ে কিনতে পারি, পারি তো। বাট ফেয়ারে গিয়ে বই কেনার মধ্যে আলাদা কি আছে? ইটস অ্যান ইভেন্ট, তাই না? It's an event, it's an experience of purchasing book. It's not about purchasing book only. It's overall experience. যাচ্ছি ঘুরছি, ফেয়ার টাইপ এক্সপিরিয়েন্স, মজা হচ্ছে, বিভিন্ন উই আর অবজার্ভিং ডিফারেন্ট টাইপ অফ পিপল, দেখছি, ওভারঅল একটা ডিফারেন্ট কাইন্ড অফ এক্সপিরিয়েন্স উই আর হ্যাভিং ওয়েল ইউজিং, মানে ওয়েল ভিজিটিং বুক ফেয়ার। তো ইটস নট অ্যাবাউট সেলস অ্যান্ড সার্ভিস আর প্রোডাক্ট বিক্রি হচ্ছে, বুক করছে, না, ইটস ওভারঅল এক্সপিরিয়েন্স, দ্য ফান অফ purchase, the fun of purchasing. There are people, those who wait, অনেকজন আছে যারা বইয়ের দাম কমার জন্য ওয়েট করে, বুক স্টোর গিয়ে মানে বুক ফেয়ার গিয়ে প্রত্যেকটা আলাদা স্টল, স্পেশালি বুক লাভার, প্রত্যেকটা আলাদা স্টল ঘুরে 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 কোন কোন বইটা নেওয়া যায় মার্ক করে রেখে দেবে। বুক ফেয়ারের শেষের দিকে ওরা কম প্রাইসে বইগুলো ছেড়ে দেয়, ঠিক ওর কাছে গিয়ে বার্গেন করে কমে ডিগ্রি করে বইগুলো কিনে নেয়, যেটা কলেজ স্ট্রিটের থেকেও কম, কারণ কলেজ স্ট্রিটের কালেকশন ভালো নেই, অ্যাপ্রোপ্রিয়েট কালেকশন তুই সবসময় পাবি না, বাট এখানে কিন্তু তুই রিকোয়ার্ড কালেকশন, এক্স্যাক্টলি রিকোয়ার্ড কালেকশন পেয়ে যেতে পারে। দ্যাটস ওয়াই পিপল ভিজিট, তাই না? So these are far beyond than what you observe. তো অ্যাজ এ বুক স্টল বা বুক সেলার আমি কি দিতে পারি? আমার তো একটা মানে এস্টাবলিশ শপ আছে, স্টোর আছে হেয়ার এট কলকাতা সিটি, আমি বুক ফেয়ার আমি স্টোর দিচ্ছি, কি আলাদা দিচ্ছি? ইফ আই এম এ পাবলিশার, ঠিক আছে, আমি আমার একটা পাবলিশিং হাউস আছে, ঠিক আছে, তো যদি তুই কলকাতা রিনাউন্ড বুক স্টোরে যাস, কি পাবি? বিভিন্ন ব্র্যান্ডের বই পাবি, তাই না, একটা বুক স্টোরে। এখানে শুধু আমার পাবলিশ করা বুক একটা জায়গায় পাবি, এটা মেজর ব্যাপার না। যে কোনো পাবলিশারের একজন ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল পাবলিশারের ইন্ডিভিজুয়াল স্টোর আছে, ওর যতগুলো পাবলিকেশন আছে তুই একটা জায়গায় পাবি। ইন জেনারেল পাবলিশারের কোনো স্টোর হয়? বুক স্টল আছে প্রচুর, বড় বড় বুক স্টল, দে সেল ডিফারেন্ট কাইন্ড অফ পাবলিশার বুক
থাকলেও বাকিদের রাখে।
রাখে। তাহলে very most important is aspect of book fair is that only পাবলিশাররা নিজেদের স্টল দেয়, যেখানে তুই ওই পাবলিশারের যত কালেকশন আছে সব ওখানে পসিবল, ইনকোয়ারি করতে পারিস। সিম্পল ব্যাপারে এইটুকু অবজারভেশন করাই যেত, ঠিক আছে। যাই হোক, ইউজার এক্সপিরিয়েন্স ডিজাইন এইভাবে চলতে থাকবে। বুকিশ নলেজ, সেই তো ইন্টারাকশন ডিজাইন ফাউন্ডেশন, অ্যাজ পার ইন্টারাকশন ডিজাইন দে আর স্ট্যান্ডার্ড, দে কনসিডার a standard, source of information globally in, in the field of user experience design. It's good actually. But if we discuss their views, their points only, we won't be able to understand what exactly user experience means. So that's why we're trying to understand it through some local examples. Okay. All the very best for your future, for your upcoming project. ঠিক আছে।